Now the jacks, you can put them in with the tabs facing up like this, but they're pretty close to the bottom of the chassis. And if you put a shielding, a sheet of shielding steel or aluminum underneath here, those could contact that and could short out on it and cause you all kinds of problems. So the layout shows the jacks facing up. I always put them sideways, one way or the other, and that's what I'm going to do here. Sometimes that means when you are soldering them, you end up taking the jack out, soldering the wires onto the jack, and then putting it back in. That's okay. It's better than the issue of having connections shorting to your chassis and your amp not working at all. I'll point out another thing about these jacks. They're insulating jacks, so the way that they are made, no metal of the jack touches the chassis. The front nut for the jack goes through a plastic washer, and then it screws into the barrel of the jack here in plastic. And these jacks come with 2 fiber washers that go here. And often you'll find you don't need both of those fiber washers. You often need one. That was the case with the Tri-Watt, and it is the case here as well. I only need one of those fiber washers, and it goes on the inside of the chassis.